Okay, good morning. VRPX bounced off 2 days ago, the high of day. Nice bounce, so that would be a good entry. VRPX, and then this one has huge volume as it went in, so that would probably be a good dip from 150. Okay, so VRPX looking to bounce off 1680 downtrend. We'll see. We had another $1 billion yesterday traded. Besides that, SNOA, lots of volume. 1600, so it's like 200 million right now. That's a lot of money. 200 million. $10 was good support, so $10 looks like strong support. So I would really like a bounce to $10 for a dip and a rip. It's a tiny float, so it could do it. I think a dip and a rip would be best. It had a bunch of resistance right at 10, and then right here it did the bounce. It's looking to rip up though. I don't know, we got 4 minutes daylight savings time. Doesn't I don't have it here, but it's 9:26. Tiny float. Short interest 6%. It's not bad. I don't really like this. This chart tells me it's gonna rip up in the morning and just drop. So it might just rip from the open for a little bit and go all the way down. If I could short that, it would be a good short idea. BIOC, what's the news? Tumor cells, treatment biomarkers, 13 million float. BIOC, 13 million float, 4 million shares traded. So that's a good chunk. The news reported results. They did bad on the results, but then this came out today. Well, it sounds good. But I'm not too sure how good. Allowing for targeted treatment decisions that may improve outcomes and extend life expectancy. That sounds pretty good. There's a gap here at 380. Might dip down to 380. Average volume, significant volume. So 380. SNOA is holding up. So which one would I rather play? This one and VRPX. I was waiting for VRPX. That's the thing. Oh, there's the market. So VRPX, I got a starter position already. I'll probably buy a little more right there. That's good. So we are in there. Should get a nice bounce. There we go. Keep it moving. Sell. And that's how you do it. That's how you do it. VRPX, what was it? Oh, I knew it. I knew it. As soon as it opened, boom, gone. Well, hold it up. I did what I wanted to do, so I'm happy. I played this right here. I'm still holding a little bit, 27. Oh, so a little more. Well, that could be a good bounce from VWAP, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Good bounce from VWAP. So 30, 40, and then with the rest I should make another 50. I kind of want to hold this one right here, but that was an easy play right there at VWAP, in my opinion. I wanted to go back to 20, but 1840 seems to be looking like resistance. Go. SNOA halts. I think it'll go down because of what the chart looks like, and it's been grinding since 7 in the morning. Yeah, I think it probably goes down. But yeah, so that's what I do in the morning. In the morning, you look at the top gainers and yesterday's top gainers, and then you play whichever one you feel best with. Like this one, it did what I thought it was gonna do, just rip at open. Okay, there would be a good bounce at 11, but VRPX is having a hard time here. You can see what it did. That's an easy trade right there, from 16.50 or so to $18, 10%. Yeah, the high was 16.50. You can see right here. I don't know if it wants to do it or not though. I don't know, I'll sell some just to keep profit. Stay profit. Stay in profit. And I'm out. And what was that? Just a few minutes? A few minutes of looking at the chart and just seeing what's going on. I called this one. I called it from here, and 11 to 12, 13. That's like almost 20%. But I was watching it from 10 actually, so that kind of hurt. That one kind of hurt. I hope you could see what I was looking at the total float, looking at the volume. I compared it to the average of the last 5 days, A lot of people like to look at the average of the last 3 months, but my platform doesn't show that the last 3 months. It just shows the last 1 month average volume, which is 10 million. It says here. Well, this is VRPX. On SNOA, it was 200,000. So that's like that's what I was talking about in the previous video. Nobody trades this stock, and all of a sudden there's like there's, how much is that? That's $300 million is in the stock right now for trading, when it normally only gets like 2 million. So, but yeah, the other one, SONN. Ooh, that was interesting. This was a big watch, and I called it too. It was a dip to 150. A dip to 150, and it took off. I mean, I was just anticipating VRPX so much that I didn't want to dabble with anything else. So that's what happened. But the more you plan, the better you'll be set up. Because just thinking about this, you just have to have your priorities. What are you thinking about? VRPX, I guess I got FOMO because I missed a lot of this play. I played it a couple times here, but there's usually a big bounce, right? Like what I was talking about. Wait for the dip. Well, this is the dip. So this is like a longer time frame that I'm looking at here. So I didn't dabble with anything else because I was just focused on getting this dip. 1650. I think that's a good entry. I always have a stop loss, so I put a stop loss under here. I'm not gonna hold it if it drops under there. So yeah, another day, VRPX, and also watching top gamers. Man, yeah, I should have been ready for this one. But that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.